Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to use CoinGecko Calculator. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the CoinGecko application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to CoinGecko if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the bottom left corner, we have the market, the portfolio, the search bar. We also have the explore. We have the more options, of course, where you can check out everything about your account. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and use the CoinGecko calculator. So first of all, what you need to do is go, of course, and for each asset, you can input the transaction type, buy, sell, or transfer, the amount purchased, price, and date time. That will then calculate your holdings. But of course, let's see how you can go to the calculator. So basically what you need to do is go to, of course, CoinGecko. As you can see, you have all of your BNBs and everything about all of those coins. So all of them are here. Then you need to go and visit the CoinGecko convert page, which is go to coingecko.convert. Then select your currency, enter the amount, check the rates, explore additional features, and that's basically that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.